Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. I'm Jackie Panetta. So I'm just doing this quick video because it's 1 minute until news is supposed to drop, FOMC news. And as you can see, I'm in NASDAQ. Okay, so the minute is here. We're going to see what this does. This is stop loss and profit. I'm up 1,000 pips. I'm up 81 pips in S&P. I did not take US 30 today because it played me earlier when I was in for the sell, thinking that they were going to sell this morning. Well, I was trying to just catch a quick drop, but unfortunately that did not happen. So I just wanted to do this video because I'm just curious to see what this news is going to do. Is it going to take me out, or is it going to shoot me up to where my TP is? You know, in this current hour, it's a bearish candle right now. I was in this entire impulse up in that hour candle on NAS, and then on S&P you can see where entry is, stop loss and profit right there. Going to try to go to the H1 zone. We're gonna see. You see my stop loss and profit is real tight because it's Friday. I ain't trying to play around. You know, we did get an H1 arrow going up, you know, so that's fire. Got it on both, really. So with all that momentum, you know, that was in favor. So now I'm just trying to see, you know, what this news is doing. FOMC letting it take off. Powerful, 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 powerful. So I just wanted to show y'all how I got in. Really, you can see here I'm in at the bottom of this order block right here. This order block was something that I found on the M15. Okay, so here's the M15, and as you can see, this is a live account. You know, that same account I've been showing y'all, same little builder account that I show you guys. So here is my entry right here. It's at the bottom of this order block. Why? Because I got in. Here it is right here. This is what I drew, this order block. All right, this is a bearish order block. So, and here's another one. All right, and so I saw price was going up, and it needed to break those bearish order blocks to go up. Right, I was in due to this M5 arrow alert right here. This M5 arrow alert, I'm in because of that. Bounce arrow, bounce from a zone. If you can't see the zone, it's right here. Bounce from a zone, arrow, go. Even though I'm against trend on the M5, but look, 1, 2, 3, there was another resistance zone there that got obliterated. All right, so 4, but technically that order block is like a zone 2, you know. So if it was to break it, you know, we got momentum in our favor, right? So NAS was it was a nice move today. And that's how I got into the trade. But I got into the trade off of a regular bounce arrow go, strategy 1. Simple. And it just so happened, look at it, it's at the bottom of this order block. And then when it pushed through and it pushed up, it cleared the order block plus and this is the M5 order block that helped form the M15 one right here. And here's another one. And here's another one. Alright. So when that cleared, this is what? Asian session high right here. Boom. Cleared that too. What is this? Money zone high. Boom. Cleared that too. 3 breakouts plus a bounce arrow go. Telling me I got momentum. That's a buy. Okay? That's a buy. Took it and was gone. You know what I'm saying? So pips secured right now is 883 pips secured. I'm up 1128. It's whatever. Don't even matter. I'm walking away with pippage, right? This is on a little itty bitty account on a NAS mini, and the same NAS is on another account at a regular NAS. Okay, so that's $88 on a 0.01. That's $880 on a 0.1. Come on now, come on now. And what was my drawdown? What was my drawdown? I'm in here. My drawdown from there to here is about 78 pips. 80 pips to do 800. I am on a 1 to 10 risk to reward on this trade. Wow. Wow. Phenomenal. And still going. And I'm trying to go up here. You know, I don't know if it's going to get there today, but that's where I'm going. You know what I'm saying? So, that's NASDAQ. And the same situation was on S&P. Now, on S&P, I got in because I did the same thing. Same order block situation. You see that? I'm on the M15. Same order block situation. I'm up 111 pips on you S&P. That's not a mini. That's regular. All right. On a point on one, that's like $10. On a point one, that's $100. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trading on a small account. You could do it. So, the M15 order block right there, boom. Here go the other one right here. You know, this is a nice one. I love these when they look like that, like railroad tracks. I love them, right? So, what did S&P do? I got in, again, off of the M5. This is my entry right here. I got in late. Really, look at that W2. Fabulous. I got in late. I should have been in right here, right? I got in late. I got in late up here because I was looking at NAS at the time. But I should have got in off of this bounce arrow go on S&P. But it's whatever. And it broke Asian session high. And it broke money zone high. Gone. Okay? You could have just took it to the M5 zone and caught pips. You know, that's you still at 100 pips. Okay? But I'm going to the H1 zone. Everybody know me. When I say I'm going to the zone, I'm going to the zone. Going to the H1, and I'm on what? We on an uptrend on this, okay? We still on an uptrend. H4, everybody, we on an uptrend on these indices. I'm going to try and hold this thing as long as I can, but I'm keeping my stop loss tight because it is Friday, okay? But bounce, arrow, go, get you in the trade. Breakout, Asian session high, get you in the trade. Money zone breakout, get you in the trade. Technically, if I was paying attention, that was a 3-position buy. That's beautiful. Okay? And then of course, remember, we do the breakouts after market opens. So, market open at 9:30, it was right here. All right, it was setting up for the buy. S&P had a beautiful setup and I missed it. But that's how I got into these trades. We're going to see what happens. So I got 880 pips secured on NAS. S&P has... let me move that on. While I'm at here, that's about 50 pips. I ain't going to let it walk away with nothing less than 50 pips. So let me just move that up there. So I'm walking away with my 50-something pips. 53 pips secured on S&P. So that is a total of 940 pips today on those two indices. I am not talking to US 30 today because it played me with the sell down here when it did the Asia session low and money zone low break, and my girl Deanna was like, Jackie, don't forget about market structure. She was right, I was wrong, I forgot. So, but I made it up with my NAS and my S&P. So not only did I take that L on them, but I made my money back plus and then some. That's always the thing with being a trader. You could take your L's, but if you know how to recover, more than likely in the same day, it's always going to be good. And this is not easy. I'm never telling y'all that this is going to be something easy. I've been doing this for a couple of years now, and I'm still learning every single day. But my community and the people that I talk to are there to support me and to help me continue to do better. That's what it is. So I love y'all. I will talk to y'all later. I'm done. Like, I'm just letting it ride, and I'll just keep moving my stop loss up as it permits, okay? But that 12:10 news, you know, made it give it a nice little push up, so that was nice. All right, y'all. Y'all take care of yourselves. Be safe. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye.